Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of an item. And if you see the name of it, you already know what it is. Now chit chat, let's open it up and see what's inside. Open it with what? Let's check it out. Now, let's check it out like now. Alrighty, so what was in that box? Here it is. Farr plus Swit, Mixtape Volume 1, Summer 84. Looks like your basic, whatchamacallit, mixtape. Oh, wow, there's a mixtape in here? Oh, no, wait, Farr plus Swit watches. Okay. Super doesn't have like a cassette thing. Ooh, here's the watch. Wow. Oh, here's a sticker. I believe this is a sticker. Or a patch. Yeah, it's someone like that. Anybody remembers cassette tapes? Let me know in the comment section. Alrighty, and here we have this instructions of the mixtape watch. And here we go. Amazing packaging. I'm gonna put that back safe and sound. I'm done with this. So yeah, holy cow, what do I have here, folks? So whatever you're looking at here is the RDMT1B, and this is the all blue edition. That's right, an all blue edition. Blue straps, blue watch, nice combo. Gives you a feel of the 90s, don't you all think? Huh, does this have loom? Yes, it does, but you're going to see at the end of this video. So yeah, nothing specific on the bottom. Amazing strap, and here's the back of it. Retro digital watch, Farr and Swit. And here's the battery code. Okay, water resist up to 5 ATM. See the features. Here it is. Farr plus Swit, Mixtape Volume 1. Awesome. Okay, let's see the alarms. And you see the vibrator indicator. And okay. It's a loom shot, folks. You're going to see that at the end of the video. Okay. How do I put this? How do I stop this? Okay. And then you have that. Okay, one more. Huh, that's all you're gonna get, folks. So yeah, la indeed. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Does it do test screen mode? Hold on. Yeah! Light button, second button, and this. There's no fourth button. So test screen mode, perfect. So folks, anybody remembers cassette tapes? Anybody remembers how mixtapes were back then? I myself have seen some tapes. So yeah. Okay, one more view. So folks, what time is it? It's music time. Like now. Alright, folks, so We're going to be playing a song from 2024. Am I saying it right? Yes, it is. 2024 with the hit song Dilemma by Green Day. Enjoy, folks. So, y'all, that was Dilemma by Green Day from their album Savior. Wow, folks. So, folks, tell me, what do you think of this watch, and what do you think of the music as well? And tell me, folks, if you like content like this or any other content, please click the button, the subscribe button, to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content, comments down below. And plus, I mean, the YouTube posts, I have to post what time I post videos at a certain time, any time of the day or week. You know, but always keep an eye on it daily and weekly. You'll never know what's gonna pop up, folks. And plus, if you guys heard about Fred Olen Ray, who did low-budget movies, he's going to be doing a sequel to the 1995 film Jocko, and he's going to do a sequel called Jocko 2 for Indiegogo. So the link will be in the description box down below, which has already been, and it's been about 2 or 3 days since I put it on the YouTube post. So check that out as well. And if anybody's ever heard of Farr and Swit, I've never heard about it. And how did I heard about this product? I didn't snoop around, folks. I heard it from a fellow YouTuber watch collector by the name of Random Rob. That's his name, folks, Random Rob. And I'll leave you the link to his channel. And these are very affordable digital watches, by the way, in certain variation colors, whether you $35, $34.99 to be exactly, but it's $35, very cheap. But it's kind of a cool collectible piece. No lie, no kidding. And plus, there's also the what do you call it? The Solar Chroner / Vice, which has some of the colors from Vice City. There was a limited edition version, but that went out like pancakes. I don't know how many were there in existence. 85 to be exact. So yeah, I wasn't aware of this product, and yeah, it's an all-American product that's been evaluated, experienced through the commentant to superior craftsmanship. Very good quality, very stylish, kind of throwback to the 90s type. So yeah. But with that, I'll leave you the link in the description box down below for the website. Check it out and look at their watches and accessories. And plus, they do watch fairs. But too bad they only do the watch fairs, a gathering of guys who like watch brands and micro brands in general, and top brands from Belova, Citizen, and Seiko. And of course, there's the Islander. Let's not forget the Islander. And then there's the other sort of micro brands that you're familiar or not familiar with. So yeah, it's too bad I can't go to those things. You know, they happen at either a certain time of the year. Depends if I have time to go to these things. Too bad they don't do one here in Vice City. If there is, I want to go to those things and do more on my channel. But anyways, y'all, I don't know. It depends if I'm ever going to go. But the link for Farr and Swit is going to be in the link in the description box down below, and I'll leave you the video to my fellow watch collector, Random Rob. It'll be in the description box down below. Also, before signing off, let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, TCF, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. And especially let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shout outs to you all. So yeah, folks. Wow. Well, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Tuesday. And catch you on the next vid. Gotta go, y'all.